Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel again as usual. And in today's video, I am going to do a new talk video, and in which I am going to tell you that how can you make your own titles using this app right here, over here somewhere. And so without wasting time, let's dive in. Okay guys, so as I said in my intro that I will be telling you guys how you can make your own titles look cooler. And you can also use the titles which are available in your editing software, and that software can be anything. So there are different kinds of software, so you can use that or this app right over here. And as I mentioned before in my intro, and this title right over here, I have used that from this app which I just showed you. And so let's go. Here the app which is called Pixel Flow, as you can see right here, and I will just click it. And so now we are entered the full screen of that app, and here you go. Here's the different templates you can use in your video. And so as you can see, here's the arrow, and I will just click it, and it will go in that template in which you want. And here are the different templates, but as you can see, it is locked now, and some of them are only available. And I can use not only which are available right now, but eventually you can buy these. And as you can see, here's one I have opened, and here you can see at the bottom, Get Pro. So if I click at Get Pro, and here are different options you can see to buy these templates. And so I haven't buy them right now, but so I just go back, and here are the different templates, and which are not logged, that you can only use, like this one. I have used this in my one of my drum covers. And so let's move on. That was the first one, and this is the second one. So there are also topic names given to these templates. So as you can see, the first one, this general is there. And as I showed you, this is the one, and I have showed you just now. And there are more you can see down here. And then we have minimal design. And so over here there are some of them also open, and which are free to use. So I use them in my drum covers, and you can also use them as well. And so I have as you can see over here, there are stars marked, so I have put them into my favorites. I also forgot to mention in this app just one more thing. Over here you can see different more options, like this row over here, and you will only get the title you want. And so here also there are different options you can use, like this one, and then this one. And over here also they have pretty good only row titles which you can use. And yeah, here are my favorites which I use the most. Not all of them, but yeah. So yeah, this was the only thing which I wanted to mention. And yeah, and yeah, these are the templates all. And I will just quickly take you in each and every. So now we have technology. So everything you want regarded to technology, you can find here. All the templates you want, like this one. Yeah, you can preview it here right down. And yeah, this is how it looks. Then we have this one. And yeah, how to add a title is that you can just click here, use, and yeah, it will take you. So right now the video is downloading, and yeah, here we go. Then we have effect, background, play, export, and the pixel flow watermark, which you can also remove after buying a pro version of it. And yeah, here we go. Here we have this pixel flow, but yeah, if we tap it, and so yeah, like this, you can type Mehul ShaRma, and here you go. Here's my name, and here presents you can use. Let's just type something. Mehul ShaRma presents new YouTube video or something like that. And yeah, you can type anything. And if you don't want, then you just click exit if you want, or you can continue editing. And but yeah, I will use continue editing. But so just to tell you more. And yeah, you can change the color of each and every text. You can if you want to show the text, you can. If not, you don't want to, then we have change element colors over here. So here you go, and we can change the color of the background, like the square I am changing. So yeah, you can see over here. And then at the last we have change size and position. And so yeah, you can make it smaller or bigger, move it to right, left. And this position Y is for up and down. So you need to just slide it down. And yeah, that's all. And then if you you have written something and you want to preview it, just play, and yeah, it will play automatically. And yeah, if you click export, there are directly move your clip to your gallery, or that file manager. And yeah, if you click your background, then you will get more options. And over here you can see this darken option over here down. And if you just slide it, it will make your background like come up. And if you darken it, your background will go off. And yeah, if you want to select background type, then just click on this dynamic, and it will change it. So like this, as you can see. And or like this. So I like this app, and it's pretty good. And yeah, you can also use it. And then we have this video. And so you can choose video from your internal storage for your background. or you can download from the library. So if you go over here, you will see more options right over here. And yeah, there are lots of templates down over here you can use. I think they're unlimited, or I don't know, I haven't checked that much, but yeah, you can use them whenever you want. And if I just click like this, you will also see options to download it. And as you can see, here is also the option to get a pro. And there are only two options available, 540p and 360p. So yeah, you can just click it over here and it will download the template. And yeah, here you go. At the background, you can see, as you see other people videos, they use this templates. And yeah, here you go. And yeah, I think it's pretty good. And then we have also you can see here are options, like abstract, education. If your content is related to education, abstract, nature, flower, background, city, ocean, summer. And yeah, so if you click in here, you will see more templates. Then education, related to education, you can see like this one. And if you just download it, it will yeah, this is how it will do. And yeah, it's pretty good for your YouTube videos, or whenever you are using or creating a new presentation. And yeah, so related to flowers, then backgrounds, related to music, then filming a movie or something. And yeah, here it is, more templates you can find. And yeah, it's pretty good. And it has different video resolutions, so you can use them. And yeah, use it in your videos. Then we have only option for image. And so yeah, you can also use it from your internal storage. Then yeah, download from the library. As you can see, it doesn't click. Then solid, so this means that, then yeah, I was here. Then solid, then if you just click this, it will change the background color again. And then gradient, you can use different gradients. So yeah, like this. And yeah, it's pretty good. And if you just go back and exit, you will be again back on your technology templates you want to use more. And yeah, so there are different more templates you can use: celebration and greetings. Then gaming, if your videos are related to gaming. And yeah, like this one, this I have used in my one drum cover. And yeah, this one. So like this, they have pretty good templates you can use. Then solid, like this one. And yeah, that's all in this app. But yeah, there are different more templates you can use. And yeah, I will just shorten this video because I think it's becoming too long, and I will not go in each and every um, template. But yeah, this is how it looks.